Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making slow cooker Italian beef. You can use any roast. I've got here I guess about 4 or 5 pound roast. It don't matter, what grade, because it's going to cook low and slow or fast, which one you want. I've got my slow cooker is preheating. What I do is I plug it in and I put a little bit of water in there so it'll get hot, and it's already hot. Take the lid off. And I'm going to season my roast. Salt and pepper. Got these fancy pepper, salt and pepper. And I'm going to flip it and put some salt and pepper on the other side. And in goes the roast first. Sprinkle on the dry Italian salad dressing mix all over the roast. Add the onion slices. Pour the jar of giardiniera over the roast. Add 2 bay leaves. Pour the beef stock over the roast. This time I'm cooking my roast on high for about 4 to 5 hours. Discard the bay leaves. Shred the meat. I used meat claws, and I finished up with forks. The meat has finished cooking. It cooked about 5 hours in the crock pot, and I took it out and I shredded it, and look how tender it is. Tastes wonderful. And we're going to make a sandwich. I've got some crusty bread. You need some hearty bread for this. that will stand up to this meat and au jus. Needs something crunchy. And I have some banana peppers. And some roasted red peppers. Doesn't that look beautiful? I've taken some au jus out. Let me put it back in there. I've taken some au jus to dip with. Ooh, it's hot. Those seasonings and that Italian vegetable mix just brought back the flavors, are so wonderful, and that meat is juicy and tender. It's delicious. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. It's just a great recipe to do during the holidays, football games, or any other time or weekday. When you're in a hurry, you just put it in the crock pot and leave it. It'll be ready when you get home. I hope you try this recipe for your family. And thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless.